Hello and welcome to A&M Germany, beautiful Stettin. My name is René Geyer, I'm the sales director of A&M, and today I have some fantastic news. We have already finished our next batch of new DieGuard 2.0. As you can see, we've been pretty much busy finishing this whole lot up because the demand after the last P-Days of Heidelberg was so big. But do not be alarmed, the next batch is already in planning. So come along and I will show you how it looks like. You will see here all of the high value tooling for lipping, cutting and cutting your matrix and bending with a lot of storages over here at the right, even with reinforced pieces, so this thing is really durable, nothing will happen. We decided to stick with our wooden plates, and let me show you also this. Those wooden plates, they are certified and it can also go out for export because they are heat treated. So now let's look inside. They will also be shipped fully loaded with all of the things that you would need. Even things like a small edding, tooling, chamfers, knives, and look at this. Even in the smallest detail, we thought about it, of heat treating every piece of wood so that you would have no problem getting it into your country. Let's take a further look at what goodies we have in here. We have the spitting with additional storage space for whatever you want. More storage space, spitting and a grinding machine. Also, of course, coming in with the grinding disc. At the sides here, you have spaces for profile rubbers, for normal pieces of rubber, whatever storage you want. On the sides, you can enter your cutting rules, creasing rules, whatever spare parts you need. So, we're presenting one of these DieGuards at the IADD Odyssey in May. You can come over, check it out, have a hands-on experience. Come over to our booth at 817 and try it out for yourself. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time.